guys, Dirt and Russ here. I got another pocket knife to show you. I was looking through my drawers today and I found this one, and it's a pretty cool looking Colonial. It's a two-bladed jack, equal end, and let's take a little closer look at it. Alright guys, here it is, and it's a equal end jack made by Colonial. It's got two blades. We got the clip point here with a long nail nick. It's got a half stop, and the pin blade has a half stop as well. It's got USA on the tang. It has a plastic scale with kind of a jigged, faux jigged bone look there, and a decorative gimp, and that's about it, guys. Cool little knife. Thanks for watching. Bye.